For decades, our society has been eating genetically altered foods which cause sicknesses. Unfortunately, because of the high demand for commercial agriculture, we have been exposed to such things as steroids, environmental chemicals, molds, food additives and colorings, and medicinal herbs. These foreign ingredients trigger chronic activation to our immune system, which can lead to the following conditions: weight gain and obesity, chronic fatigue, migraine headaches, arthritis, fibromyalgia, eczema and other skin disorders, asthma, ADD and ADHD, irritable bowel syndrome, infertility, hair loss, and early aging. A simple blood test yields a comprehensive readout of hundreds of sensitivities, medications, additives, and other pharmaceutical chemicals specific to your type. Our doctors suggest abstaining from these selections for a period of 3 to 6 months. A customized diet and consultation with a nutritionist is complimentary and included as part of your test results. After the immune-building period has ended, you may resume eating those foods which were once sensitivities. If one parent has allergic reactions, the estimated risk of a child to develop allergies is 48%. A child's estimated risk grows to 70% if both parents have a history of allergies. A new study conducted by the Mayo Clinic revealed the most common causes of allergic contact dermatitis, a skin inflammation resulting in redness of the skin, is due to direct contact with allergens. The most common terms are eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis, stasis dermatitis, atopic dermatitis, and other idiopathic skin disorders. The top industries that are affected by these sensitivities are cosmetology, healthcare, food handling, manufacturing, construction, printing, metals, and the automotive industry. A simple patch test yields a comprehensive readout of hundreds of potential irritants, detergents, soaps, fragrances, and other common household products. Once the results are documented, a physician will simply advise to stay away from the sensitivities. If your condition doesn't disappear within a few weeks, we will recommend one of our dermatologists for further studies. The benefit of knowing this vital information has the potential to greatly extend your health span. It can give you more energy, freedom from pain, normalization of weight, a better mental outlook, and innumerable other benefits. Today, many people from the housewives to the athletes are challenged with the lure of medicines and drugs to gain a competitive edge on weight loss, performance, and health. The long-term consequences of these drugs can be fatal. Luckily, with the stigma and health deterioration of using performance-enhancing drugs, people are instead turning to customized nutrition to give them an unparalleled edge in physical performance and health. Personalized eating has become many of the top athletes' training secret. Once you begin eating the right foods that are specific to your own genetic makeup, you too will have that competitive edge. University studies have reported this way of natural and healthy eating has resulted in the following benefits: increased energy, increased lean muscle mass, decreased body fat percentage, improved muscle stamina, improvements in cardiac output, and increased functional strength. This cutting-edge technology gives anyone a diagnostic analysis to help them achieve optimal wellness and peak performance and health. Over the past 30 years, it has become apparent that children in the United States are becoming heavier and heavier. In fact, childhood obesity has more than tripled among children ages 6 to 19 during this time period. Today's adolescents have also become prey to the commercialized fast food industry that is luring them with foods that are unhealthy, high in sugars, saturated fats, and processed foods. Childhood obesity has become so bad that the U.S. Surgeon General has identified the obesity epidemic as one of the greatest health problems facing the nation today. The battle of the bulge for some people has become a lifelong struggle that most fail to win. The result of weight gain over years can lead to psychological problems such as body dysmorphia, as people become unhappy with their physiques and have a difficult time envisioning what normal is anymore. More often than we would like to admit, young women end up becoming anorexic or bulimic. This is a very unhealthy route to take to lose weight, as it takes physical toll on one's health. If the current trend in obesity continues, more than 86% of adults will be overweight or obese by 2030, with approximately 96% of non-Hispanic African American women and 91% of Mexican American men affected. This type of weight loss has been termed yo-yo dieting, as someone will lose a significant amount of weight over a period of time only to gain the weight and usually even more back. This cycle of failed dieting, as years go on, leads to even further drastic measures, as people have turned to prescription weight loss medication as they are duped into feeling that these medications are safe because they are prescribed by doctors or over the counter. Only the exact opposite in many cases is true. Your doctor now has the ability to test for the top 50 geographic specific allergens in your area. These allergens will include dust mites, pet proteins, molds, venoms, and pollens from trees, grass, and weeds. According to the Mayo Clinic, approximately 500,000 people die each year as a result of mold-related illnesses worldwide. Through advanced testing and diagnostic procedures, we can accurately pinpoint and assess the harmful effects that mold has on your body, internal organs, and the extent of that damage. You may be legally entitled to damages from exposure to harmful molds. Over-the-counter and prescription medications only mask your symptoms. Oftentimes they have uncontrollable side effects that may lead to other health problems. Your doctor now has an ability, through immunotherapy, to create a natural medication to treat the allergies, not just cover them up. This works by desensitizing you to many of the airborne irritants that cause allergy issues. Through this form of therapy, you'll no longer experience the symptoms that had once plagued you. It's simple. Skin testing is the gold standard for diagnosing your allergies. By using a painless technique, your doctor will be able to identify exactly what you're sensitive to within 15 minutes. We custom prepare every dosage of natural medication specifically for you. Our medications are made from natural substances and may permanently end your symptoms. Immunotherapy is the key to treating your allergies the natural way, without drugs. Our team of medical physicians are here to promote your overall health care. Over 50 million Americans test positive to one or more food, airborne, or chemical allergens. Many are unaware they suffer from allergic conditions at all. The symptoms can be subversive, affecting your quality of life, job performance, and even self-esteem if not addressed. We believe more drugs are not the answer. Most health insurance providers see this treatment as preventative, which allows everyone to save on costs associated with alternative, over-the-counter, and prescription medication. For more information, visit us on the web at moredrugsarenottheanswer.com. Isn't it time to start your new life today?